the shit I'm talking about, though. Like, you changed up. You don't even fucking link nobody no more. You just dash me away like a catty.
Okay, so as you can see, I've used some T-pins, and you can't see the crocodile clip in the back, but yeah, got some T-pins, crocodile clip in the back, just to keep the hair out of the way and, you know, secure on the wig head. And I got this head from Amazon for about £20. But yeah, I'm just plucking, and I don't really have a specific method of plucking. I just go behind the baby hairs. As you can see, the baby hairs are like laid down, so I go behind them and then I pluck until I think it's sufficient enough. And I do like little like bold patches as well, because I've noticed that helps the wig look natural, and obviously it's a closure as well. And also, another tip when plucking, like, don't ever pluck, like, down, do you know what I mean? Like, always pluck from the bottom up, sort of thing. Because when you do that, it ruins the lace and it applies a lot of, like, unnecessary pressure to the lace. As you can see here, I'm just going like behind all the hairs that I've plucked already. I'm just going like, just literally like a couple of hair bits behind them, just so it's more like a gradual thing, do you know what I mean? Like, you just don't want like one bit that looks natural and then behind it's bare thick. Like, no, it's not a good juxtaposition. Once I'm happy with the plucking, or yeah, the plucking that I've done, I then flip the baby hairs back over and then put that on top and then pluck through the baby hairs as well. And then this just adds more of a gradual effect to everything and makes everything look more smooth, more natural, which is the ultimate goal, of course. Now that I've brushed through it, you can actually see how much hair I've used. And that's how much hair that I normally do for closures as well. Like, if you want more of a boldy looking closure, or more of a thick looking closure, or some people only pluck like the parting of closures, but I don't like that. I like a mini frontal. But yeah, everyone can do their own thing. So this is it after I'm done, but I haven't bleached the knots yet, and also I haven't even done the baby hairs. And this is honestly what I would do every time I get a closure. And now the next part of the video is about wig maintenance. So I wear Ghost Bond as a glue, because I'll do like 2 layers and then that will last me 2 weeks, or 3 layers will last me 3 weeks, like for one wig, innit? And I'd rather that than having to wake up every day and put got to be on, and that is just stress. Don't get me wrong, Ghost Bond is £16 on Amazon, but it's 100% worth it, because to be honest, you only use a little bit goes such a long way. So the one thing that's bad about Ghost Bond is that the glue is 100% probably the hardest thing to take off, and I think that's a pro and a con, to be honest. But anyway, I found the way to remove it is by using rubbing alcohol directly on the lace, and just rub that straight off. And like, Don't get me wrong, it's about 5-10 minutes like peeling it off, but it saves more time than you washing the wig and then drying it and stuff like that.
Can't wait until we're standing face to face. I'll make sure there's no delay. Ooh, you got me speeding down the 101. It's about 12:01. Hey, I'm gonna spend some one-on-one time with you. And I ain't even got a friend. I can never get enough. We can do whatever you want to do. You can have it your way. Maybe I'm going too far, I should just stay in the car. Maybe I'm losing my mind, I'm running all of the lights. Wondering what we are. We are.
You've been waiting for it, I'm waiting too. In my imagination.